G'day, here's a few pieces of lower grade Boulder Opal, great to practice with. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted and the white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. Basically these are offcuts. This piece lends itself to maybe the seam running back through there, although it appears to peter out here. You never know with something like that. A piece of potch colour. This needs to be dremeled out. See what you get there. We'll follow, cut it off here somewhere, and that might split. It looks like there's a crack running through the middle of that already. So might get a pair out of that. Something like this. Something like this piece you can just cut and polish the way it is. Might get a couple of pieces out of that if you cut it, saw it through. It's not high grade material, but good to get started and get the feel for cutting boulder. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.